Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Bardeep. Today we are going to start exercise number 3.6 of chapter 3, that is pair of linear equations in two variables of grade 10. So first question is, solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So this pair is given to us. So this topic is already discussed in introduction videos, that sometimes our variables are in denominator, but in normal linear equations are of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So variables are always in numerator. But in this case, when variables are in denominator, we will identify what is the common variables in both equations, and then we will replace them with some other variables so that these equations can be reduced to our linear equation. So let's see. Our first equation is 1 by 2 times x. So here it is 1 by 2 into x. In this case it is 1 over 3 times x. So means this also can be written like this. So 1 by x and 1 by x is common in both equations. So we will replace 1 by x with some other variable, let us suppose u. And similarly 1 by y and 1 by y is common in both equations. So we will replace 1 by y with some other variable, let us suppose it is v. Then we will frame our equations. So let's write here, let 1 by x is u and 1 by y is v. So 1 over 2, in place of 1 by x, this is u here. So 1 by 3 times v here equals to 2. So now left hand side has fractions but right hand side no. So we will make it same by taking LCM. Okay, so that denominators will be cancelled. So what is LCM of 2 and 3? This is 6. So we will multiply this term with 3 here. So this is 2, so it should be multiplied with 2. This is 1, so it should be multiplied with 6. So let's see, this is 3u plus 2v over 6 equals to 12 over 6. After this step, I have already explained, when we have same denominator, simply ignore them. Why? Because this 6 will come to other side, 6 and 6 will be cancelled only. So no need to do that. Simply write our numerator part. So this is our first equation, that is 3u plus 2v equals to 1. Okay. Similarly, let us reduce our second equation. So this is 1 by 3 times 1 by x means u, 1 by 2y, so this is v, equals to 13 over 6. Again, every term has denominator, but all are having different denominators. Again, take LCM and cancel it. So LCM of 3, 2 and 6 will be 6. So this term is to be multiplied with 2, this with 3, this is already 6, so it will be left as it is. So 2u plus 3v over 6 is equal to 13 by 6. Again, same denominator, ignore this. So 2u plus 3v equals to 13 is our second equation, which is reduced to linear format. Okay. So now let's see how to solve. Since this is not mentioned that which method we should use, so we can use our own preferred method. I use elimination method. So here it is 3u plus 2v, it is 2u plus 3v. So if I multiply first equation with 2 and second with 3, I will get 6u in both equations. So let's do that. Multiply 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So we will be having 3 into 2 as 6u, 2 into 3 as 6v, 12 into 3 as 36. This is to be multiplied with 3. So 3 into 2 as 6u, 3 into 3 9v, and 13 3 is 19. Okay. So now u has coefficient 6 in both equations but with same sign, so we will subtract them. So let this be 3, this be 4. So now we need to perform 3 minus 4. So this is 6u plus 6v. Sorry, this is wrong. It is to be multiplied with 2, na? So our equation was 6u plus 2 multiplied by 2. Here it should be 4v. And 12 into 2, this should be 24. So please correct this. So now this is 4v equals to 24. 6u 9v is equal to 39. So change the signs when we have to subtract. This is cancelled. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. 24 minus 39 means we should subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1 with negative sign. So what is V now? Minus 15 over minus 5. So V is equal to 3. Okay. So now again our choice, we can combine more than one method to solve it. So now I will substitute this V in any one equation to find the value of U. So put V equals to 3 in any one equation, suppose 1. So this is 3U plus 2V and V is 3 equals to 12. So 3U plus 6 equals to 12. 3U is equal to 12 minus 6. 3U equals to 6. And what is U? This is 6 by 3 as 2. So value of U is 2. Again, point to be noted, sometimes students will finish their question here, but this is not right because equations have variables x and y and we have found the value of u and v. So again we'll go back, that is 1 by x is taken as u. So we will substitute the values and find the actual values of variables. So here 1 by x is equal to u, and what is u? This is 2. Use these two terms, that is 1 by x is equal to 2 by 1. Cross multiply and x is equal to, see, 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So similarly 1 by y equals to v and v is 3. So again take first and third term. So 1 by y is equal to 3 by 1. Cross multiply them. So 3y equals to 1 and y is equal to 1 over 3. Okay. So now we have the values. So we can write, therefore solution is x equals to 1 by 2 and y equals to 1 by 3. So I repeat what we have done. We have taken 1 by x as u, 1 by y as v, put in the equation and reduce these equations to linear format. Then I have used elimination method combined with substitution method to find the values of u and v first. Again these values are substituted in our assumed values, that is 1 by x is equals to u and 1 by y equals to v, to get our final values of x and y. So this is our first part. Now let's see the next part. So our second part is 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equals to 2. So again the power of x is 1 by 2 in denominator. If we shift this to numerator, it becomes minus 1 by 2. So this is not a linear equation. So first we will reduce them to linear form. So now again we can see 1 by root x and 1 by root x is common. So we will assume this to be some another variable. Let 1 over root x equals to u. Here also 1 by root y. So 1 by root y equals to v. So substitute this in these equations and let's see what are our given equations then. So 2 times u plus 3 times v, because see 2 over root x can be written as 2 into 1 by root x, and this 1 by root x is u. So this is 2u. Okay. So this is how I am converting them. 2u plus 3v equals to 2. In second equation, this is 4 by root x means 4u minus 9v equals to minus 1. So these are my linear equations in reduced form. Okay. So now how to solve this? By any method. Let's use elimination method in this question. So see, this coefficient of u in first is 2 and in second it is 4. So let's multiply our first equation with 2 so that both will have 4u. So multiply 1 by 2. So our equation is 4u. So 3 into 2, 6v. 2 into 2 is 4. So let this equation be 3. So now if you compare these, both are having 4u positive terms. Subtract them to get eliminate u. Okay. So now 2 minus 3. So this is 4u minus 9v equals to minus 1. 4u plus 6v equals to what? 4. Minus minus minus. 4u is cancelled. 9 minus 9 minus 6 is minus 15v. And minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So what is the value of v then? This is minus 5 over minus 15. So after simplification we get v as 1 by 3. Right? So again I am mixing both methods. I will substitute this value in first equation you can use. So put, when it is not mentioned, you can use any method. Even you can combine more than one method. So v equals to 1 by 3 in first equation. So now 2 into u plus 3 times v. And what is v? This is 1 by 3 equals to 2. So this will be cancelled. 2u plus 1 equals to 2. And 2u is 2 minus 1. So what is u? This is 1 by 2. Okay. So now we have the values of u and v. Now let's find x and y. So what is u? This is 1 by root x. So 1 over root x, since 1 by root x is equal to what? U. And u is 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 over root x equals to 1 over 2. Cross multiply them and you will get root x equals to 2. So is this sufficient? No, because we need value of x. This is square root of x. So how to eliminate square root? Inverse operation we will use. And what is inverse of square root? Square. Okay, so we will write square in both sides. Square root of x whole square is equal to 2 square. Square root and square will be cancelled. So x is equal to 2 square as 4. Okay, so this is x. Now let's see what is the value of y. Also 1 by root y is equal to v. And what is v? 1 by 3. Again 1 over root y is equal to 1 by 3. You will cross multiply and root y is equal to 3. Again squaring both sides. So root y whole square is equal to 3 square. And what is y? This is equal to 9. So I hope this question is also clear to you. This is again something different from our regular questions. Now root x is given. So no need to worry. Just put the values as u and y. Solve the values of u and v. Again substitute in them and square them to eliminate square root. So this is our second part. If you like my teaching, please subscribe to my channel. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the remaining questions of this exercise. Thank you.